Let's DIY an easy Easter basket using supplies from the Dollar Tree. This Easter basket's going to be for a child. I picked up one of these great wire baskets from the Dollar Tree in like this mint green color. And I'm just going to take some of the Easter ribbon from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to weave this into a little basket that can keep things from falling out of it, but it's also going to kind of add to the decor. I pull that all the way around. What I did was cut enough to go all the way around and then a second piece for the second tier. And then I just go back and forth and weave this in. Super easy way to make a little DIY basket out of this. And then just kind of glue it onto itself when I get here to the end. And I'm not going to do a handle for this basket. You could if you wanted, if you had some wire or even a metal wreath form, if you wanted a handle for this. I want to put this one in a bag from the Dollar Tree and shrink wrap it into like a traditional basket look. So I don't think it really needs a handle. And you could always remove the ribbon from this basket and be able to reuse this basket for something else if you wanted to, which makes it a little bit more reusable. I have both of those covered and now we can start filling this with some Easter goodies. First thing I'm going to do is add some paper shreds. Kind of prefer that over the Easter grass from the Dollar Tree. I think it looks nice. We'll do a bright yellow color and mix in some white as well. Nice fun Easter colors. And now let's fill this up with goodies that I found at the Dollar Tree. I found a unicorn cross stitch set, which I thought was really cute for a little girl. We have to have some bunny ears, so I just picked up some traditional white and pink bunny ears. They have like Easter bubbles. You can even do the wands. Some little hair barrettes here. And let's do one of those little wind up hopping chicks. Very fun. And then, of course, a little bit of candy. Let's do a chocolate bunny, a little Etch-a-Sketch from the toy aisle at the Dollar Tree, and let's fill up some eggs with candy, of course. I just do like some of the little foiled chocolates and some of the chocolate coins in this one. It's not a really big basket, so you can't go too crazy with the eggs, but I definitely have room in here for a couple. And I'm going to stay with that pink and yellow color scheme on this, bright and cheerful. And then maybe a little candy peeps sucker. This is the bag that I found from the Dollar Tree. It's like one of the Easter basket bags, but it's got like an Easter print on it. So it's got the pink, the white, and the blue. Matches perfectly. I just pop our little DIY basket in there and we're just going to gather this at the top as tight as we can here and just tie it off with our little foil like bread tie. Now you want to shrink wrap that. I'm using my heat gun. You could also use a blow dryer for this to make it take the shape of the basket. And then to make it look really festive, I add a bow to the top. And this is how it turned out. A cute little Easter basket for a child. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting.